Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the return of tourism to Thailand in this sort of somewhat bleak post-COVID tourism landscape. And a recent article it was from Thai Visa, but the source is Thai Wrath. It's thaiwrath.co.th, but good folks over at Thai Visa went ahead and translated this. Article's titled, Multi-Ministry Drive to Open Up Thailand to Foreign Tourism by October 1st, Tourism Minister. Quoting directly, Thailand's Tourism Minister, Pipat Ratchakitprakarn, has revealed that 5 ministries will be working together with the aim of opening up Thailand to foreign tourism again from the start of the fourth quarter, October 1st. Quoting further, the travel bubble plans have been binned. Now twin countries are on the table. Twin countries are in quotation marks. And we're going to make another video concurrently with this one to discuss this sort of twin countries initiative. But we're going to keep the focus of this video on the return, hopefully, of Thai tourism. Quoting further, Peapot's Ministry of Tourism and Sports and those representing Transport, Health, Foreign Affairs, and Interior will be meeting on August 27th to iron out what Peapot called a quote-unquote new approach. Now, I think this, let me preface further analysis by saying, let's not go too overboard. I don't foresee this being, the gates just opening and tourists are going to come flooding back in. Unfortunately, I wish that were the case, but I do not believe that's what we are going to see. Instead, it looks like they're trying to bring online some kind of plan to allow folks to come into Thailand and start getting some tourism back. Now, again, they've sort of thrown out the travel bubble thing and they're looking at a new approach. But what I was particularly focused on is they note that Tourism Ministry, Transport, Health, Foreign Affairs, and Interior will be meeting on the 27th to discuss this. Well, that's pretty much everybody who has a policy execution or policy making hand in travel into Thailand, in a tourism kind of function. So those are all the folks that would have to get together in order to bring forth some sort of new regime or temporary regime with respect to tourism and the immigration side of that, as well as the public health aspects of that. All of that would need to be done by those ministries. So I find this to be very good news. I think we're hopefully going to see something, perhaps the door open a slight crack, if you will, in hopefully, presumably October. Now, again, that stated, do not presume that this is going to be the gates just opening and the tourism's going to come rushing back. I do not think it is wise to presume that. I think we probably are not going to see something like that for at least some months from now. But it is good news. I think we're beginning to see, again, light coming over the horizon, light at the end of this long tunnel, and hopefully we're going to see some tourism in Thailand sooner rather than later.